Now next question is calculate the cell potential at 25 degrees Celsius for the cell if the initial concentration of nickel nitrate is 0.1 molar and that of silver nitrate is 0.1 molar. The standard value for nickel Ni2 plus Ni is minus 0.25 volts and that of Ag plus Ag is zero point 0.8 volt. Now to solve, first of all, whenever we are dealing any questions, we will write down the net cell reaction. Looking at this, we are able to write down the reaction, that is the conversion. We can write down here. For this data, you can write down first. The two concentrations are given. The concentration of Ni2 plus is given as 0.1. Concentration of Ag plus is given as 0.1 molar. Now after writing this, you write the expression. Now you know that whenever the values are given, the smaller values, that is whichever electrode has got low value for E0, it will be acting as anode. So for writing cell reaction, you know that the reaction is conversion of Ni to Ni2 plus 2E, and for Ag it will be Ag plus accepting the electron, forming Ag solid. Now this is your anode reaction, anodic reaction, and this is your cathode reaction. Now when you write down the overall reaction will be Ni solid plus Ag plus. Now see, here there are 2 electrons, here only 1 electron. So you will multiply this entire equation by 2. Multiplied by, so it becomes 2 Ag solid plus 2 electron gives Ni2 plus 2 Ag solid plus 2 electrons. Now you will see that these electrons are getting cancelled, so therefore N is equal to 2 for this case. Now you will be writing the expression, that is for the cell. You know that E cell is equal to, general equation is equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 upon N log concentration of C to the power C, D to the power D upon A to the power A, B to the power B. Now by writing this, now our cell reaction is in the form of ABCD. Now just we have to substitute. So in next step you will write down E0 cell is what? E0 of cathode minus E0 of anode minus 0.059 upon N value, we already know it is 2 log concentration of C. C is concentration of Ni2 plus into concentration of Ag solid square, it will become, upon concentration of nickel solid into concentration of, here it is Ag plus. So it is Ag plus square. Okay. When we are adding this Ni, it should be Ag plus. So in this way we are getting the expression. Now substitution of Ag solid and nickel solid will be 1 because we take the concentration of solid as 1. So again we will come back here. So cathode, the value for cathode silver is given as 0.8. So we will substitute 0.8 volts, minus for anode it is given minus 0.25 minus of minus 0.59 upon N. Now log nickel concentration, it is given as 0.1. Ag we will take 1, nickel solid also we will take 1, and Ag plus 1 square, the concentration will be 0.1 the square. Now when you will solve this, you will get the value as log 10, because 0.1 upon 0.1 into 0.1, so you will get 1 by 10, that is log 10 you will get the value. So it is next step, when you solve this you will get 0.80 and minus becomes plus, so it becomes 5. So value is 1.05. Here we can put 1 instead of this, 1.05 minus 0.25 0.059 upon 2 into log, you will be getting the value as log 10 raised to minus 1. So when you solve, you get 1 upon 1, that is 1 by 10 is 10 raised to minus 1, and this minus and this minus will become plus, and log 10 is 1. So next step you get answer as 1.05 plus 0.059 by 2 into log 10, that is that it will become 1. So answer is 1.05 plus, you are getting 1.04 plus 0.0295, which is nothing but equal to 1.0795 volts. This is the answer.